Hello everyone, Siddharth this side, and today we will be solving another question on Geek for Geeks, which is chocolate distribution problem. So what we have to do in this question is that each element in this given array is representing the number of chocolates in the single packet, and M is representing the number of students to whom we want to distribute the chocolates. And there are few condition in this question also, which is each student we have to distribute only one packet to each student, and the difference between the maximum number of chocolates given to students and the minimum number of chocolates given to a student should be minimum. So what exactly they want to say by this condition is that suppose we have selected these 5 packets, so the maximum number of chocolates will going to be 56 and minimum number of chocolates will going to be 1. So we have to minimize this difference. Like if we choose these two pair 1 and 56, then the sum will going to be 50, difference will going to be 55. Or if we choose 1 and 9, then the difference will going to be 8. So we have to minimize this difference. So the brute force method to solve this question will going to be the recursive method, and that will be very time consuming, which we don't want. We will be solving this question using efficient approach, in which we will be solving this question in a single traversal. So let's see what we will be doing. So suppose we have given this array 5, 6, 3, 2, 4, 1. So this is the array. So what we will do, we will sort our array first. Why we are sorting? Because if we sort the array, then the minimum element will occur in the start and the maximum element will occur in the end. So after sorting, our array becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now after sorting, what we have to do, after sorting we will start traversing into an array, and we will take a window, and how many elements we have to take in the window will going to be the number of student we want to distribute the chocolates. Suppose we have given three children, so 1 to 3 will going to be our first window, and after that, if we first we will find the difference of the first element, because this is the smallest, and then the second element because this is the greatest. So the difference will going to be 2 in our first window. Now we will move on to a second window, which is 2, 3 and 4, and we will calculate the difference again of 2 and 4. Now again the difference will going to be 2, so we will not update a difference because our difference will is not less than our previous difference. After that we will move on to the next window. The sum is again 2, difference is again 2. After we will move on to this, then there is again. Okay, so this is the 2 is the minimum difference in this given array. Now we have to take care of again another condition is that, because after this window we will take this window, like after 4 we have to take this 5, 6 and another element which is not present in the array. So we have to take care of this condition also, so that this window's length will not exceed the current array length. So now let's move on to the coding part. So first what we will be doing, we will be initializing a global minimum difference. So long is equals to, as we have to return the long as data type, so long global difference is equals to long dot maximum value. Now what we will do, we will sort array. So we will be using the will-till function for that collection dot sort a. Now we will start traversing into the array. So for int I is equal to 0. Now we have to take care of the index out of bound condition. For that, what we will do, uh, what is the length of our window, which is I plus m minus 1. So this is our length of our window, because these are the number of students, which is m, and I because we want to update ri in the next, we have to update our windows length in the next traversal, so we have to take I also. Now we will do I plus plus. Okay, let's put the condition also. So this should be less than the length of the array. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find a current difference of our current window. So that will also going to be long and current difference, and that will going to be a dot get starting last element of our window, which will going to be I plus m, same as our condition for index out of bound. After that we will a dot get, this is the first element of our window. Now what we have to do, we have to update our global difference if this current difference is less than a global difference. So if our current difference is less than a global difference, then we will be updating this. We will be assigning global current difference value to global difference. Now in the end what we will be doing, we will be returning a global difference. So return global difference. Now let's try to run this code. I think it should be running fine. Okay, now let's try to submit this problem. So all the test case have been processed. So thank you, see you in the next video, bye.